Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. The court also noted the situation that large number of cases involving dishonor of checks are choking the criminal justice system and putting an unprecedented strain on the judicial functioning. In paragraph 7 of the judgment, this court noted the submissions of the learned Attorney General to the extent that the court should frame certain guidelines so as to motivate the litigants from seeking compounding of the offense at an early stage of litigation and not at an unduly late stage. It was argued that if compounding is early, the pendency of arrears can be tackled. In paragraph 12 of Damodar case, this court dealt with the provision of section 147 of the NI Act and held that the same is an enabling provision for compounding of the offense and is an exception to the general rule 5 incorporated in subsection 9 of section 320 of the code. This court harmonized the provision of section 320 of the code along with section 147 of NI Act by saying that an offense which is not otherwise compoundable in view of the provisions of section 320 subsection 9 of the code has become compoundable in view of section 147 of NI Act, and to that extent section 147 of NI Act will override section 320 subsection 9 of the code, since section 147 of NI Act carries a new clause. This court, on the basis of the submissions of the learned Attorney General, framed certain guidelines for compounding of offense under section 138 of the NI Act. The court held in paragraph 27 of Damodar that those guidelines have been issued by this court under Article 142 of the Constitution in order to fill up legislative vacuum which exists in section 147 of the NI Act. The court held that section 147 of the NI Act does not carry any guidance on how to proceed with the compounding of the offense under the NI Act, and the court felt that section 320 of the code cannot be strictly followed in the compounding of offense under section 147 of the NI Act. Those guidelines were given to fill up a legislative vacuum. Reliance was also placed by the learned counsel for the appellant on the judgment of this court. Quashing of a case is different from compounding. In quashing, the court appeals it, but in compounding, it is primarily based on consent of injured party. Thanks for watching.